Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is October 9, 2018, and we have an article right here for Aurora Cannabis. It is about them filing for listing on the New York Stock Exchange, and literally we want to go ahead and look at the price charts to determine whether or not this particular stock, once it gets listed on the New York Stock Exchange, will we see increased prices or will we see a downturn in the market for this particular company. As you can see, the title reads Aurora Cannabis files for a New York Stock Exchange listing. Who's next? It was uploaded to the internet on October 9, 2018. The author is Jonathan Cooper. And just to give you all a quick summary about this particular transaction, Aurora will be traded as ticker symbol ACB on the New York Stock Exchange. It is slated to start next week. The existing shares of ACBFF will turn into ACB shares. There are rumors that other U.S. listings for other cannabis companies will be forthcoming. You can see there's a couple of company names, CanTrust and Afria as well. So again, this particular industry is gaining a lot of popularity in terms of interest of funding, and as well as the financial institution. They're definitely looking for a place to park their funds, and look like the cannabis industry is going to be the newfound area for new wealth. This is the actual document that Aurora filed for the New York Stock Exchange. You can see that they use Form 40F in order to get this particular process started. And as well, as I scroll a little bit further down, there was another cannabis company called Canopy Growth, ticker symbol CGC, and it only took them 8 days from the filing of their Form 40F before they was able to start trading on the New York Stock Exchange. So if we look at that same time frame, Aurora Cannabis will look to start trading on or during the week of October 15th. So that is literally right around the corner. I know the company was literally slated to say around the end of October, but if we could get on around October 15th, then definitely that would be a positive sign as to the listing of these shares for the company. So right now we're just going to go ahead and look at the price charts for Aurora and see whether or not we will see increased prices before the listing or even after it. Now we're looking at the weekly chart for Aurora, and you can still tell here that this particular stock is traded within the channel. $4 has been maintained as support, and the resistance area is right there around that $11 price, and we're getting some stockpile coming in on the weekly chart right now. Matter of fact, Aurora ended today down 2.5%, but you can tell that that $10 price area is going to be very crucial for the stock to maintain support. Go do a quick look on the daily price chart for Aurora. You can tell here that yes, weakness is coming in the market around that $10.50 level. We will need to maintain $10 in order for this particular stock to continue to move higher in price. The volume for today definitely symbolizes that weakness is still in the market. You will expect this particular stock to continue to move to the downside, but as I draw this line, I want to show you how far Aurora can trade in the near term and the particular price that it has to stay above in order for this stock to continue its movement to the upside. So as you can tell now, it is extended, overly extended right now, so it can definitely move to the downside. So that's why I'm going to draw this ascension line for you all can see where and how low it can go in price. But as long as we stay above this ascension line, then Aurora stock is going to continue to move to the upside. Okay, this is the 3-hour chart, and I am expecting some slight weakness to come into the market, but as long as we stay above this particular price, $10 or even our ascension line, then Aurora stock is still giving us strength. I'm looking for this particular stock to continue to move to the upside in the long haul, especially during the week of October 15th. I will be expecting like a very quick pop in the market for Aurora to move to the upside. Okay, so my analysis is for Aurora to continue its movement to the upside. Just be on the lookout for the week of October 15th. Definitely it's going to be a lot of volatility in the market. Might get a very quick movement to the upside and then a quick movement back down. So that is always a possibility in the stock market. But overall, I'm still positive about Aurora moving to the upside, and just understand that $11 is resistance as well. So tell me your thoughts. Where do you think Aurora is going to be traded about time it gets listed on the New York Stock Exchange? Do you think it's going to be going higher? Do you think it's going to be going lower? Or even do you even have an interest in the cannabis industry or the cannabis sector? Let us know your thoughts. Go ahead and like and subscribe this video. We will give you more articles as well as price charts, because we just like to make sure that it's correlating one with another and make sure that the article is really displaying information that is true and accurate according to the price charts. In the meantime, make sure you all maintain your profitability. I will see you all later.